Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Omavangie coming to you from my tiny studio. For today's vlog, I'm going to share with you my experience on using a virtual background and some of the apps that I used in editing them. So this is going to be a simple and based on my experience mini tutorial in a simple and not so fast way. So hang in there and let's start the show. Okay guys, let's begin this mini tutorial. Yes, I'm going to show you how I use virtual background, obviously with a green screen, um, on Zoom app. Okay. Alright, so the first thing you need to do is to launch your Zoom app, sign in. So, and this is how I make some of my recordings, the ones that you have previously seen or watched on my other vlogs. Share with you my experience on using a virtual background and some of the apps that I used in editing them. So this is going to be a so I go to new meeting. That's me. Hello. Okay. Unmute myself. All right. So this is what we should do. To have a virtual background, you obviously need to have a proper green screen, right? And I have shared with you from the previous vlog how I installed this very simple fabric green screen. This is like a curtain. Yeah, if you haven't seen it yet, maybe it's a good idea to watch the previous vlog. So what I will do now is to make a beautiful virtual background. So I should go here, click toggle here. Now here we can choose a virtual background, guys. Remember to click this because I have a green screen. And then choose, there are some images that you can use for free. Obviously, as you can see, I have some images here or photos that I uploaded myself. Okay, but for now, let's concentrate. Let's try first the one that's given or free. Click on the proper color. Voila! Isn't it nice? Okay, you can also change your background by clicking on it easily. This is how it looks like now. It's easy, guys, very easy. Now, let's say we want to be a little adventurous. And here, this plus sign here means you can add the virtual background image from your collection. If you have nice colors or nice pictures or a picture of your vacation, for instance, like this. This is what I had last time. I'll show you how it looks like. Let's close this. Okay, stop dreaming and let's continue working. Let's choose this one. Yeah. All right. Now, then you can start making your recording by clicking on this record button. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So that's easy guys. Really cold. Aha. So this is as easy as ABC, right? Okay, I think for now this simple tutorial will help you somehow, unless of course you're going to record your dance or a play or make a film. Because now, with your green screen, you can actually make your own film. You can have some people dancing with you or your last vacation and recreate everything. It's easy. Okay, so that's my little sharing for now. And if you, okay, yes, it's still recording. I understand it's still recording. So what you need to do to have the movie file, it will be converted the moment you click end meeting. And here you will see if I end meeting, okay, and all the recorded file will be converted to MP4. Look at this guys, it's already converting. Yes, so wait a little bit and see what happens. Then we can watch what we paid, right? Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So that's easy guys. Pretty cool. Aha. So this is as easy as ABC, right? So if you want to add a little, what else do you want to add? Okay, I think for now this simple tutorial will help you somehow, unless of course you're going to record your dance or a play or make a film. Because now with your green screen you can actually make your own film. You can have some people dancing with you or your last vacation and recreate everything. It's easy. Okay, so that's my little sharing for now. And okay guys, I actually watch everything again, all over again. So here, can make a lot of videos and do recordings with the virtual background. And sign out now. Sign out now. Okay, the next tutorial will be using the telephone. Yeah, alright. This is it for now. Let's okay, the next application will be KineMaster, and for that I need my phone, and then I'll show you how to edit. I'll show you how to edit and add those filters and funny backgrounds using KineMaster. Yes, okay. Bye for now. Are you going to subscribe? Yes.